So if you are a Power BI developer with 1 to 8 years of experience, this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to share some top 5 Power BI job updates which currently companies are actively hiring for, and the competition is still low. So let's get started.
So the first job opening is from the IBM regarding the application developer Microsoft Analytics. So if you see over here, the location is for Kolkata region. Work arrangement is hybrid, and travel is 20% or 1 day a week. If you see, the experience is 5 to 7 years of experience, and the experience skill set is required. Advanced Power BI skills, experience with Power BI features including Power BI embedded services and Power BI report builder. So these are the basic skill sets required. The second job update is from the EY, the Big Four company, one of the Big Fours. The location is Kochi or anywhere in India. The job update has been posted on 27 March. If you see to the job description, it is a senior Power BI developer role. So if it is senior, then it should be like 5 or it's 3 to 7 years of experience. A minimum of 3 years of experience in Power BI, hands-on experience with strong proficiency in SQL or PLSQL. So that's good. Another job update is from NTT Data, one of the giants in IT industry. So this is a remote opportunity. The expertise in Power BI, creating dashboards and reports, implementing DAX calculations. These are the basic skill sets required, and you can see all the job experience required. Python is also required, NumPy, Pandas. So generally people in the interview ask you about if you know Python, but they are generally not required while you are actually working in as a Power BI developer. So yeah, you can apply this. I think they have not posted the years of experience required, but I think you can, if you have the required skill sets, then you should apply for this. Yeah. So the next job opening is from Capco, a Wipro company. So a global technology and management consulting firm. So this is for all over India opportunity with Power BI developer role, and the experience required here is 7+ years of experience in at least one modern BI platform, that is Power BI preferred, and SQL skill. Okay, so yeah, I think anyone who is 7+ years experience can apply for this role. And the next job opening is from SEIC, which is also from Kolkata, India. This is a full-time job opportunity. Every job opening I have shared is full-time job opportunity, no contract or anything like that. Yeah. So the Power BI senior engineer job posted was on 24th March. Yeah, Power BI developer role, you should be knowing design, develop, deploy and maintain scalable BI solutions using Power BI. You will collaborate closely with multiple stakeholders to understand reporting needs and the deliverable insights. Usually compelling dashboards and reports that drive data decision making. Yeah, the general job requirement. So I'm not discussing every job requirement in detail because you're already aware of what they are generally expecting from a experienced Power BI developer. So just an overview I'm sharing, especially the job openings which are there. Yeah, so the experience required is minimum 6 years of experience in Power BI and SQL Server programming. So anyone who is above and beyond 6 years can apply for this role. So yeah, these many job openings are required from current job openings are there in these companies, so you must apply. I will share the link in the description, and yeah, keep following and keep getting job updates. All the very best.